Hi everyone, I hope that you're doing great and that you're staying healthy during those difficult, crazy times. I'm back today because I had planned to share another video with you, but I decided to change just because the one that I had planned didn't feel appropriate for the crazy time. It's now Friday, March 20th here in Brussels. We've been asked to stay home for about a week and it has been really severe for the past 2 or 3 days. Like, we cannot go out unless we have a very valid reason, being going grocery shopping, going to the doctor, or going to work if you cannot work from home. So we all have to come together and really be united and just stay home, stay healthy. It's the one way that we're gonna go through this COVID-19 crisis. So today I thought I would share something because I was really wondering whether I would post something or just remain silent or share the news and everything, but I figured that we all need a break during this time. So today I'm gonna be spring cleaning my closet, which is something that I had planned to do. I thought it would be later in the year, but since we're stuck home, I thought today would be a great day. I feel like this is gonna take me hours most of the day, to be honest, because it's gonna be a little different than what I usually do. What I usually do is just go through all my clothes, shoes, accessories and get rid of things that I don't wear anymore. But today I really want to take everything out of the unit. I want to take all the hangers, empty every single drawer and shelf and really clean everything, because this room is the only access that we have to our bedroom. That door leads to the hallway and then this door leads to our bedroom, bathroom and laundry room. So this is a high traffic room, which is the reason why I like to keep it pretty clean and very organized, because it's a room that we pass multiple times a day. But today I'm gonna empty everything. I'm gonna do a little bit of a purge as well, because I know there are things that I'm not going to wear anymore in here. I'm gonna either donate that. I always give to Les Petits Riens here in Brussels. It's one of those charities that I really like to support. If I have pieces that might make someone else very happy, that are in great state, I sell them on my Vinted. Although I have paused that for the time being, just because there's no way I'm gonna like send parcels and just overwhelm those courier and delivery persons with things that are not first necessity, like basic needs. So I completely encourage you to do the same. Let's not overwhelm the system with things that are not really urgent and high priority. Let's keep that for food, pet supplies, baby supplies. Let's keep our shopping just on pause for the moment. And yeah, that's what I'm going to do today. I actually came fully equipped because I have my cleaning spray. This is the Marcel's Green Soap. We sell the brand on our e-shop. This is just an ecological spray cleaner. It's non-toxic for you, for your pets or for the environment. So I have that. I have a microfiber cloth. I have my Dyson vacuum cleaner, which I just absolutely love. And I'm gonna get started because there's quite a bit of work. And just another quick disclaimer before we get started. I know how lucky I am to have such a big closet just dedicated to my clothes and my accessories. It's something that I'm truly thankful for and that I really appreciate. But I know that not everyone has that luxury. Back in the day, I lived in 25 square meters in Paris and I have this like really tiny closet space, so I know how it is, but I'm so thankful to have this space, and hopefully this video will change your mind and hopefully motivate you to spring clean your own closet. So this is gonna be the before tour. I didn't clean anything. This is how it looks like on a daily basis. That door leads to our bedroom and then this door is the one to the hallway. But as you can see, it's not bad by any means, but I could do better. Like, this is not okay. I need to go through the drawers and just reorganize everything a little bit more. I mean, it's not bad by any means, but I'm sure I can get rid of a few things that I don't wear anymore. I really want to go through my hats and just reorganize that a little bit. You see, this is the kind of things that I do. Like, the steamer is supposed to be hidden behind the mirror, and then I have this empty basket that has been there for months, so I have to figure out what to do with that. And then this is the rest of the room. So it's not bad by any means, but it could be just a little bit better, a little bit more clean and a little bit more organized. So I just emptied this section and I wanted to show you because this is what I'm talking about. Look at that. It's full of dust and like clothes fluff, and I feel like back there, this is dirty. So this is what I was talking about. I'm so glad I'm doing this. So this is my new best friend that I was telling you about. Don't mind this, we never finished this little like den that we have in our bedroom, but this is the vacuum cleaner that I was talking about. It just plugs into the wall, you can mount it on the wall. We have the same one, well, a different model, but we had one downstairs and we loved it so much that we decided to get one for upstairs. And this is just so great to clean up any mess and to do the kind of project that I'm doing today. So I just vacuumed and cleaned with my spray, but I need this guy. I'm sorry, this isn't brand new, so it looks a little bit disgusting. But this is called a magic sponge and it really is quite magic. This works great if you have any sort of scratches on your walls, on your furniture, and I just saw that I have some down there, so I'm gonna use that. So I emptied the two sections where I keep my tubs. Oh my god, this looks so big with nothing in it, but I just wanted to show you because this is something like I clean this pretty regularly, but look at that. And I only put clean clothes obviously in there, so that goes to show that it's good to be spring cleaning. So now that everything is empty up there, I was actually thinking of emptying all those like I have two now drawers, because look at that. I'm not sure if you can definitely tell there is a lot of dust in here, and to be honest, there's things that I'm not going to wear, like this I'm not sure I'm going to ever wear again, so I'll go on and move on to that. And once everything's gonna be cleared up and clean over here, I'll be able to see more clearly the dust. Like you can see there's quite a bit of dust on the glass as well. So yeah, I love these drawers. They are fantastic to display like small leather goods and some glasses and belts and all of that, but oh my god, they catch so much dust. So here we are, I've taken everything that's hanging away. The only exception is my Chanel jacket hanging over there, just to make sure that it doesn't get damaged in the way. All of that is clean, still need to clean that. Then I'm gonna move on to the shelves and the drawers, and I'll be done for this side of the room. I just took a lunch break and got a snack. If you don't know these are so good. But basically I did all the hanging sections, so everything is back in its place. I have a pile of things that I want to get rid of, and now I'm going to move on to the drawers, because there are 4 on that side, 4 there, and then I have this little dresser with 3 of them. So I'm gonna move on to that, because I got the feeling that if those were dusty, the drawers must be really dusty as well. So let's go. Okay, so here we are. I've organized the whole thing. I've cleaned up everything. It took a while, and to be honest with you, I took a break and then I couldn't get back to it. So I put on my favorite Spotify playlist and I got onto it. I'm gonna show you what it looks like now, but trust me guys, it was filthy in here. Although it's a room that I clean on a weekly basis and I do like dusting and stuff, it was really worth the effort of going into every single like corner and drawer and just cleaning everything once and for all. And I like pulled up the dresser and cleaned behind it and all that kind of stuff. And I have 3 bags of stuff that I'm getting rid of, which makes me super happy, because going into this project I thought I would have maybe 10 items that I could purge, just because I keep purging as I go, but I managed to fill up 3 bags, so that's amazing. I'm really happy I decided to do that. So guys, these are the 3 bags that I managed to fill with stuff that I'm not going to wear anymore, and otherwise everything is super clean, super organized. I got rid of all of those clothes and a little bit more. I still have some hangers in the bedroom, but I cleaned up everything. This is much better. I cleaned up so many of my hats and I organized my bags. Everything is so clean. Like, look at my drawers, they are crazy organized right now. It feels so good. I also did all of that. Like, the first drawer is so much better. Like, it's full of stuff, but it's those kind of things that you always need, like sunglasses cases, and those are all my handbags, essential reusable bags and stuff like that. And I also worked a little bit on my bag and shoe collection, and I managed to free 2 spaces. And even better, I got some work done over here. So as you can see, I still have room to grow. This is not a challenge myself. I don't have to grow if I don't want to. I really changed my shopping habits and I'm really glad I did. But otherwise, everything is super well organized. Everything is so clean, and that makes me truly happy, because this is a room that we go through every single day and that I use every single day. So I'm so happy I decided to do this project. So that's it for today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed, and I also really hope that you're healthy. Stay home as much as you can. It's really important, guys, during this time. Only go out for real necessities like grocery shopping or doctor's appointment or stuff like that. It's all going to work out if we all listen to people and just stay home and stay safe. So take care, be well, and I'll see you next time. Bye everyone.